Hello, dear viewers. Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, do us a favor by hitting that like button, sharing this video with your friends, and subscribing to our channel. Don't forget to click the bell button too, so you never miss an update from us. Today, we're venturing into the second day of our fascinating 10 Days in the Jungle program. We're joining Mr. Mustafa on a journey to health, combining nutrition and fitness with the serenity of nature. So, make yourselves comfortable and let's dive into it. Our first activity for today is preparing a nutritious meal. Imagine a meal that's not just delicious but also packed with all the nutrients your body needs. That's what we're cooking up today. Now, this isn't your everyday meal. We're preparing it on a wood stove, a cooking method that brings a unique flavor to our dish, enhancing its natural taste. So, what's on the menu? A vegetable stir-fry, a medley of vibrant, fresh vegetables, each bringing its own nutritional benefits to the mix. We've got bell peppers for a dose of vitamins A, C, and E, which are great for your skin and immune system. We're adding in some broccoli, a powerhouse of vitamins K and C, fiber, and protein. And let's not forget mushrooms. They're rich in B vitamins and minerals, supporting a healthy metabolism. Now, let's dive into the preparation. Start by washing all your vegetables thoroughly. We want to keep all the good stuff in and the bad stuff out. After that, chop them into bite-sized pieces. Remember, the smaller the pieces, the quicker they cook, saving you fuel on the wood stove. Once you've prepared your veggies, it's time to fire up the wood stove. As the flames dance and crackle, place your pan on the stove and let it heat up. Add a dollop of oil, and when it's hot enough, toss in your chopped vegetables, stir them around, letting each piece get a good sear. This is where the magic happens. The wood smoke infuses the vegetables, giving them a unique, smoky flavor that's impossible to replicate on a regular stove. Finally, season your stir-fry with your choice of spices. We're going with a dash of salt, a sprinkle of pepper, and a squeeze of fresh lemon for that tangy kick. Stir everything together until the vegetables are cooked but still retain a bit of crunch. And there you have it, a nutritious meal cooked the traditional way on a wood stove. Now, you might be wondering what's so special about this meal. Well, let's dive right into it. This jungle feast is a nutritional powerhouse that's designed to fuel your body and mind. It's packed with proteins, essential for repairing tissues and building muscles. And the amazing thing about proteins? They keep you feeling full longer so you can avoid unnecessary snacking. Then we have carbohydrates, our body's main source of energy. They're crucial for maintaining your stamina as you trek through the wilderness. We've also got the good fats in there, perfect for long-term energy and supporting cell growth. And let's not forget about the vitamins and minerals. They play a critical role in bodily functions such as immunity and digestion. Plus, they're great for your skin, helping you maintain that jungle glow. So, this meal isn't just tasty, but it's also packed with all the nutrients you need to stay energetic and healthy in the jungle. After having our nutritious meal, it's time to get moving. And what better way to do that than with some outdoor yoga? Now, you might be wondering what's so special about doing yoga outside. Well, let me tell you, the benefits are numerous. When we take yoga outside, we're not just stretching our bodies, but also our minds. We're connecting with the nature around us, soaking in the fresh air, and harnessing the positive energy of our surroundings. It's a practice that goes beyond the physical and taps into a deeper sense of self-awareness and mindfulness. Imagine this. You're in a quiet area of the forest, the air is crisp and clean, you take a deep breath in, hold it, and then exhale, releasing all the tension from your body. You can feel the soft grass under your bare feet, the sun peeking through the trees, warming your skin. The sounds of the forest, the rustling leaves, the distant bird calls, they all contribute to a sense of peace and tranquility. It's a sensory experience that indoor yoga simply cannot replicate. Now let's talk about some simple yoga poses you can try at home, or even better, in your own backyard. First, the mountain pose. Stand tall with your feet hip-width apart, your arms at your sides. Breathe deeply and feel the earth beneath your feet. This pose helps to improve posture and balance. Next, the tree pose. Stand on one leg, bend your other knee, placing the sole of your foot on the inside of your standing leg. Raise your arms above your head. This pose enhances balance and strengthens the legs. Finally, the downward dog. Start on your hands and knees, then tuck your toes and lift your hips, creating an inverted V shape with your body. This pose stretches the entire body and calms the mind. Remember, the goal is not to perfect the pose, but to enjoy the process and connect with nature. So, roll out your mat, step outside, and let nature be your yoga studio. But why practice yoga outdoors, you may ask? Well, there are myriad reasons, and we're going to walk you through some of the most compelling ones. Firstly, let's talk about focus. In our fast-paced world, concentration can often feel like a scarce commodity. However, engaging in outdoor yoga can help you reclaim that focus. The natural setting, free from the distractions of technology and urban noise, provides the perfect backdrop for honing your attention. As you move through your poses amidst the rustling leaves and chirping birds, you become more attuned to your body and your breath, fostering a heightened sense of mindfulness. Next up is relaxation. The tranquility of the great outdoors has a calming effect that's hard to replicate indoors. The soothing sounds of nature, the gentle breeze on your skin, the warmth of the sun, these elements combine to create a serene environment that facilitates deep relaxation. As you sink into your yoga poses, you'll find your stresses melting away, leaving you feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. But it's not just about relaxation and focus. Outdoor yoga also contributes significantly to your overall well-being. The practice encourages deep rhythmic breathing, which increases oxygen levels in your body. This, in turn, boosts your immune system, improves digestion, and promotes better sleep. Moreover, the exposure to sunlight provides a healthy dose of vitamin D, crucial for bone health and mood regulation. Let's not forget the fresh air and positive energy of the surroundings. The air in natural settings is typically cleaner and richer in oxygen than indoor air. Breathing this air in can improve lung function and overall respiratory health. And as for the positive energy, well, there's something inherently uplifting about being in nature. It stirs a sense of connection to the world around you, fostering feelings of happiness and contentment. So outdoor yoga isn't just about exercise, it's about enhancing your overall well-being and connecting with nature. So why not roll out your mat under the open sky? You might find it's just what you need to bring a little more balance, peace, and vitality into your life. And that brings us to the end of day 2 in our 10 Days in the Jungle program. What a day it's been. We've journeyed together through the lush greenery of the jungle, basking in its tranquility and soaking up the rich, life-giving air. Today we embarked on a culinary adventure, preparing a wholesome, nutritious meal on a wood stove. The rustic experience of cooking our food in this traditional manner, surrounded by the sounds and scents of the jungle, was truly a unique experience. By using fresh, natural ingredients, we not only treated our taste buds but also gave our bodies the nutrients they need to stay healthy and strong. We then delved into the calming world of outdoor yoga. The serenity of the forest provided the perfect backdrop for our yoga session, allowing us to connect with nature while strengthening our bodies and soothing our minds. The fresh air, the gentle rustling of leaves, the chirping of birds, all these elements work together to enhance our focus and relaxation, proving once again that the great outdoors is the perfect wellness studio. The benefits of today's activities are manifold. The nutritional meal we prepared is a testament to the fact that healthy food doesn't have to be boring or bland. It can be delicious, satisfying, and fun to make. And outdoor yoga, with its unique combination of physical activity and mindfulness, offers a holistic approach to health that benefits both the body and the mind. As we wrap up, we encourage you to try these activities. Cook a meal using fresh ingredients and see how it makes you feel. Practice yoga outdoors and experience the difference it can make to your mindset and your overall well-being. And don't forget to share your experiences in the comments section. We would love to hear all about your journey to health. Thank you for joining us today. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. We appreciate your company on this journey to health. See you in the next video.